My name is Datta Sonone. We today we are going to study the voltage and current characteristics of the diode. So let's go. First, open the project. Let it open. Okay. After that, click on new project. Name it as let's say diode care. Okay. Click on next, 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 and then finish. Okay. After this, we have to place the component and see the output. Uh, Firstly, here is the P and L. Click on P and select the required component. First, we want to for examining this characteristics of diode. First, we need a diode. Diode, we can find the diode as typing in here 1N400. Sorry, 1N4004. Okay, this is the diode, and click on uh, after double clicking on here that will be shown. After that we will require also a register. This is the register. Okay, double click on it. After we also, yes, other component will be getting here. Okay, then select register a diode and click on place it here. Select register and place it here. Okay. 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 After for we want to measure the current and the voltage across the diode. So we want to let's select this icon, and in that icon select DC voltmeter and place it at here above the diode and rotate it. Okay, place it here. After we also want to measure the ammeter current, so select the DC ammeter and place it here. Okay. uh, as usual, we all know that the voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the component which of which the voltage we want to measure, and the current and the ammeter is always collected in the series. So we are have connected this place this voltmeter at the above the after this we will connect this parallel in the diode, and this ammeter will be series in the series register as well as the diode. Now after, okay, we want also the DC power supply. For DC power supply, click it here. Okay, this is the DC. Click on it, select this and place it here. Okay. We also want for this UV circuit the required ground. For this ground, select this icon and click on ground, and ground will be selected. Place it here. Okay, we want to connect we want just to make the connection for this. Select this. Okay. Okay, connect this also. Yes. After this, okay, and now we are going to change the values. First, click on double click on the DC generator. uh, Give the voltage value for this is 5. Then click on OK. Then click on register. Then give the value very low, that is for 100 ohm. Okay, this is our complete circuit for the checking the forward bias characteristics of the diode. Firstly, we are connected the DC power supply to give the diode, and register is connected in the series to the diode, and and we are going to measure the voltage as well as the current voltage across the diode and the current through the diode. Okay, for running this circuit, simply click on this icon and this will be run. You can see that I can, let me zoom it out. Okay, this is the current in ampere. For current, if you applied the voltage at 5 volt, this will be drawn the current as 0.04 ampere, that is 40 milliampere. You can take calculate the conversion for the same. And the voltage across 0 diode is 0.76. We all know that the diode, if the diode is the silicon diode, it will be having the 0.7 threshold voltage, and the diode, if the diode is of Germanium diode, then it will have the 0.3 there. This is the approximate threshold voltage of the diode, that is the voltage drop across the diode. Let's okay. This is the forward characteristics of diode. For checking the reverse characteristics of diode, there is no major change. There is only a slight change in the circuit. Let's select this diode. Okay, delete it and click here. Then again select diode. Click here. Okay, and you 180 rotate view. This is the reverse bias diode, and we are simply going to connect this. Okay, okay, and then for this we require a very large amount of voltage for checking the breakdown voltage of the diode. Okay, then click on this. You can say that the current flowing through the reverse after shorting, that is after breakdown the diode, it will be uh, 11 amperes, and the voltage across that is 401. uh, this value can be vary according to the applied voltage here, that is input DC voltage. It can be also, but at a particular voltage the diode will be breakdown, and the character and the voltage and the current through the diode will be maximized, will be maximized suddenly, and the voltage will be constant after that breakdown point. Okay, that's all for this circuit. I hope you all are understood.